This is all stand-up comedy. No music, none of that stuff. Just stand up. Oh yes, I am a puppet. I'm Nosy the Bear. I entered here in the interest of wolf to make jokes and shit. Yes, I get it. Ha ha ha. This is dedicated to Louis Anderson. He died a few days ago. How. Thank you, Nosy. I'm done with my part. Off. Sorry, folks. That was Nosy the Bear. He's harmless. This is dedicated to Louis Anderson. 2 gays walked into a bar. They were told to get out. Yes, they were told to get out. Oh my God, they were told to get out. They were told to get out. I get no respect. I get no respect. I get no respect. I'm going to have a heart attack on the red box. You know what? What's up, guy? You want to stick a ball? Where's the cocaine and the hookers and the crows? Yes, it's Fritz the cat. What, Louis Anderson voice me? You think anyone would do that? Yes, I would. What if my nose? You are despicable. Oh no, I know a woman in the dress, in a man's voice, in a man's body. Oh no, oh shit. Let's get the hell out of here. And this whole stand-up comedy stint was dedicated to who? Louis Anderson, not Bill Cosby, because Bill Cosby's a loser. Who was it dedicated to? Louis Anderson. The last joke is going to be on the beat. 2 oranges walked into a bar. One orders root beer. One orders orange juice. Let's peel. Let's do what oranges do best. I'm done with that shit.